I want you to affirm down below, I am iconic. Affirm that down below, and I want you to start to tell yourself that every single day. Tell yourself anything else you need to hear. Listen, if you don't assume that you're iconic, who the fuck will? Who the fuck will? Oh, let's check our little team message for today. It says, in order to be remembered, oh wow, leave nothing behind but love. Okay, so like, remember, we're all gonna croak, so it's not really what you have, but it's how you treat people, how you make people feel, okay? You're gonna make people feel the most inspired and amazing by you going after your dreams, period. And then you having impact means you can help more people, inspire more people. Don't start with me. So anyway, baby girl, baby boy, baby, listen, if you don't assume that you're iconic, who the fuck will? The amount of comments that I get under my TikTok videos and my TikTok lives, it's crazy how many comments I get that are like, I don't have a purpose, I don't feel like I'm good at anything, I'm not talented, blah blah blah, life sucks, this is just like wishful thinking. Like, when I see those comments, it makes me irate and annoyed and angry and sad. Some of you really believe that you are here just as a waste of space. Like, if you weren't here to do something special and amazing, the universe literally wouldn't put you here. Jesus wouldn't have created you, whatever your vibe is, whatever you believe in. Like, you wouldn't be here if you didn't have a mission for being here. Do you understand how much of a miracle it is? How big of an amazing miracle it is that you are living? Like, what are the chances that you are fucking living on this beautiful earth? You have all these cells, you have all these beautiful organs and limbs. Like, are you fucking kidding me? And you're gonna sit here and say that you don't have a reason for being here? There's nothing special about you. You don't have any talents. You don't have any dreams. You don't have any goals. You feel like you're a waste of space. You feel like you're like the laughing stock. No. It's time that you change your self-image. It's time that you go get some fucking confidence or something. How do you get confidence? Okay, by showing up, by repeated actions. So you know what? You go to the fucking gym. You buy that fucking sexy ass workout outfit. You buy that fucking sexy protein. You buy that fucking pre-workout, the creatine, and you get into some sort of gym regimen. I don't fucking care. You are productive. You are someone that loves to work out. You are someone that loves to invest in yourself. You are someone that loves to eat healthy. Gaslight yourself up the ass. Don't even start with me. Get into the gym. Also, get into starting those creative passions and projects. You have a talent, okay? Shut the fuck up. Close your eyes. And if the fear of the public's opinion, or if money wasn't an issue, if you had all the money in the world, what would you be fucking choosing to do full time? That's your gift. That's your talent. And it's okay if you don't feel like you're a 10 out of 10 when it comes to your talent, okay? You practice, you evolve, and you get fucking better. Get off of your couch, get off of your bed, put down the fucking game controller, put down the Netflix, put down the phone, stop doom scrolling, and go create something. Go create it, okay? Because what if your last day was today or tomorrow? You would be filled with so much fucking regret. So get your sexy ass up and create that sexy ass art. And you're no longer going around saying that you're ugly, you can't do anything, you're not talented, I don't have a purpose, I'm a loser. No, you're talented, you're iconic. Your existence is something magical. Your existence is valid, okay? You're here for a reason. Obviously, when you say these to yourself, you're going to use I am first person or even third person, make it sound like you're getting the compliments from people. That usually helps me as well. Like no one's going to see your worth until you start to see it for yourself. And you won't start to see your worth and talents for yourself until you leave your bed, until you leave your room, until you go experience people, the world, and everything. Like, get off of your ass, get off of your ass, get off of your butt, and go create something. Please. What did you love to do when you were a child, before you got bullied, before you got ridiculed, before you got laughed at, before you got heartbroken? What did you love to do? And it's not too silly, it's not too stupid. Shut the fuck up. That's your negative voice, okay? That's not the real you. You don't want to waste your life. You do not want to waste this beautiful existence and experience because you are afraid of your true potential. You are afraid to let the world see the real you and all the craziness and all the extraness, all the flamboyantness. Life is too short. You need to start assuming that you're iconic. Every single day you wake up and you tell yourself that you are iconic. You have a reason for being here. You are talented. You have something special to share with the world. You are a miracle. You are a blessing. You are a trendsetter. You are a visionary. You're an icon. You're capable. You're good enough. You're desired. You're sexy enough. You're handsome enough. You're rich enough. Start declaring what you want. Okay, and you show up repeated with action and discipline, showing up and practicing and showing the world your gifts and talents. Everybody, how do you think I fucking got almost 500,000 followers on TikTok? Not by posting once and giving up, by posting because I love to create. So there's nothing that it could ever do to stop me. You literally can't stop me. It's what keeps my heart beating. It's what keeps me alive. You gotta keep going. Okay, your dream life, like I said in the TikTok, your dream life is out there waiting. It's just, do you have the courage to move courageously, to make big game moves, to make big decisions, to embody that legend version of yourself, to make the big risks even if you're scared? You have what it takes to show up every single day until that dream unfolds. You need to start assuming that you're iconic. You have a gift, you have a story to share. If you didn't, you wouldn't be here. It's that simple. I want you to affirm down below, I am iconic. Affirm that down below, and I want you to start to tell yourself that every single day. Tell yourself anything else you need to hear. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. Let me know any other video suggestions you want down below. What do you want me to motivate you on when it comes to manifesting your most creative dream life? What specific manifestation, law of assumption content do you want me to make? Any sort of mindfulness, spirituality, self-development? Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. But thank you guys so much for watching. And like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass.